Crazy says, hands on hips. Crazy says, shake like this. Crazy says, spin then dip. Come up slowly, touch your butt. Crazy says, hands on hips. Crazy says, shake like this. Crazy says, spin then dip. Come up slowly, touch your butt. Hands on hips, spin then dip. Dip, dip, shake, 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 shake like this. Come up slowly, touch your butt. Hands on hips, spin then dip. Dip, dip, shake, 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 shake like this. Come up slowly, touch your butt.
Hey guys, it's Tangi back with BootsandBeatsLineDancing, and today I want to teach you a beginner/improver line dance called Take Your Vibes and Go. So this one was written by Okuda, and I think it's so cool. It's so fun. It makes a great song switch dance as well, but also it's won awards at the Sunshine and Line and the Fun in the Sun event. So I think it was definitely worthy of a teach. So here we go. I'm going to turn around. You can follow my boots. Let's start in the first section. You're going to step right diagonal forward and then left diagonal forward. So that's a 1, 2. For 3, 4, you're going to step in place on the right foot and touch your hand to your hip. Then you're going to step in place on the left side and put your hand to the hip. Let me show you that together. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? For 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to shake our Cole. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that was a right, left, right, left, right. By the way, bend your knees. It makes it a lot easier to shake your Cole. Let me go back and show you again. So it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, that's so fun, you guys. Okay, we're going to move on. So at the end of section 1, we had just finished shaking our Cole. We're going to do a ball cross. So that's with the left foot for the ball, cross with the right. We're going to do a 3/4 slow unwind. And when you finish an unwind, you're going to end up facing 3 o'clock. So that's a 3/4. Then we're going to do a body roll backward, body roll, and then we're going to do a left coaster, left, right, left. Okay, let's go back. After we did our shake or our Cole, we're going to do a ball cross, unwind, body roll, coaster, step. All right, let me do that to counts for you. We just finished the shake, shake, shake. It's going to be a 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's go back to the top, starting at the first section so that we can memorize. We're going to put it all together so far. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and start section 3. So we just came out of that left coaster, coaster step. We're going to do a side rock on the right, side rock, and then we're going to do a weave behind and cross to the left, right behind, left to the side, and cross. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left side. We're going to do a side rock, behind, side, cross. I'm going to turn around so you can see what that looks like. It's going to be a side rock, behind and cross, side rock, behind and cross. Okay, let me add some styling options. You can pump it with your fist and your Cole if you like, so it looks like this. Side rock, behind and cross, side rock, behind and cross. Totally up to you, but it's so much fun. Okay, after we do that, so that's a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to turn around. We're going to start at the top, and we're going to put those 3 sections together before we move on. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Good job, you guys. Let's go to the 4th section. Okay, so section 4, you step forward on the right. We're going to shake our Cole 2 times or 3 times. We're going to go right, left, right. Step forward on the left, left, right, left. We're going to step forward on the right foot, pivot turn halfway. Then we're going to do a full turn, right, left. Bam, that's the end of the dance right there. But let me go back. I'm going to face 12 o'clock just so you can see it a little bit better. So after we did our side, rock, behind, and cross, side, rock, behind, and cross, we're going to step forward on the right and shake, 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 then the left, shake, shake, shake. We're going to step forward on the right, do a half pivot, then a full turn. Right, left. That's the end. Okay, let me go back and put that to counts. We're actually facing 3 o'clock at this point, so I'm going to turn back to 3 o'clock to not confuse you. Okay, so we're starting with our shake, shake, shakes on the right foot. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, half pivot, full turn. Then you're ready to start the dance again. Okay, let me go back to the top. We're going to put all 4 sections together. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, full 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and do another wall. At this point, I'm facing 9 o'clock. I'm going to start from the top, okay? Here we go. We're memorizing. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, full 2. Turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Thank you for joining me today. Such a fun dance. I do have to warn you, when the music starts, it goes right away. So there's no time to think about it. So as soon as you hear that kiss, start going, okay?